Yeah! Yeah! Winner, fucking winner, chicken dinner! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Fuck yeah! 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 Yeah, buddy! You gotta love it, the first one into fucking tech. Yeah!
First real win, man. Woo! Oh shit! I'll take you back up, but I can't promise not to laugh first. Fuck yeah, we won, man!
That was
Brian, don't move! It's hard, isn't it?
That was really, really hard.
Don't move, Brian! Oh, we'll win. Oh, see you go.
That was hard.
That was fucking fun.
It was a lot of fun. Little money. Motor making noise?
Not at all.
Been, but it didn't sound like it.
Weird. What are you doing?
Brian.
Motor?
Thank you. Actually, I wasn't in. He probably wants it first.
Oh, okay.
I got out earlier.
Water?
Hey.
We drove the fucking piss out of this thing, dude.
Right on.
Woo!
$5 grand, 5,500 up the wash.
Dude, yeah, just fucking just cruising.
You couldn't. Did you get
We got second a couple times.
Did you?
Yeah.
That other car's like nowhere in sight.
No, we fucking. Dude, we fucking bombed that shit. Come over here. What the fuck? Why are they over there? I don't know.
Being antisocial.
Come over here. Huh? Yeah, you are.
Since when?
Well, I said you can.
How was it?
I don't know how.